Hi there, Josh here from Teach Yourself Websites. You might have seen around the web, if you've been browsing a lot of blogs, that a lot of people have a little box at the end of their blog post to have a little bit of a rundown about who the author is and, link to other posts and maybe some social media profiles and stuff like that. Well, I want to show you a way you can implement that on your blog quite easily, and it's using a plugin called Fancier Author Box, and it's by the cleverly named Tomato Soup. So these guys created this little plugin that puts a box at the end of your blog posts, or at the end of your pages, even if you want to put that there. And it lets you show off your bio and also various other things. So let's jump in and have a look at it. I've actually already installed the plugin, so I'm just going to activate that now. You can do a search for Fancier Author Box and you'll find it there. So you can just click on the settings for this plugin, and you'll see you can show it under posts, either above or below the post. And I recommend probably just showing it once, otherwise it's a bit overkill. You can show the same author box under the pages as well, and you can also adjust how many posts you get to link to in that author box. So it'll show a list of posts, and you can put that up and down. So I'm just going to leave mine on 5. You can also adjust the colors as well. So for example, if I wanted to make the border a little lighter, I can go ahead and do that. It's a bit of a funny color picker, this one, so if I wanted to make it a bluish border or something, let's just make it a light grey. There we go. Click on Save Changes, and the last step is to go to the users area and click on your profile. And each of your users will have to do this, put in a bit of a biographical info, or you can fill it out for them if you go and edit their user. Just make sure you got a bit of a bio in here in the biographical info, and you can also add in your user details. So like if I want to put my Twitter name in there, you can also put your Facebook ID, which is just your username or the ID. Of your Facebook page, and you can also put in your Google Plus ID. And to get your Google Plus ID, you just come over to Google Plus, and then you can grab this big string of numbers out of the address bar, and that's your ID. So just drop that in there, and of course there's other details there as well. So I can click on Update. And now that that's updated, if I refresh this page, this blog post, we'll now see my little author box down the bottom. So we've got links to my Twitter and Google Plus feeds, and yeah, that's how you do it.